Style. How old are you? Can you speak Korean? We will learn step by step again. Is there a dream which we can share? Yes, there is a dream we can share. Are the friends who are eating Kimbab? Yes, there are friends eating Kimbab. What's your name? My name is Chulsoo. What are you doing? I'm thinking of Younghee. How many times should I try? How much fun will it be? Do you see the stars up in the sky? They help our dreams and make us try. What time is it? It's time to start. Dreams will grow inside your heart. Does Chulsoo smile when Younghee's near? Yes, he smiles. Does Younghee blush when Chulsoo calls? Yes, she blushes. Younghee laughs when Chulsoo sings. Chulsoo dreams of lovely things. Are they walking under the sky? Yes, they're